your seats look like this, we're going to give you guys a simple, easy method we use to clean. So we're going to start off with a vacuum. We jump into an all-purpose cleaner. Here we're using Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner. Then we jump into an agitation by hand, always. We do not use a drill brush. I think it's a little overrated. Then we go into a steam clean. Here we're steaming, breaking everything down, bringing it to the surface before we prepare for our extraction with our Bissell extractor, which always gets the job done for us. And then we're gonna go into a wipe down after that, just assuring everything's nice and dry. And check this out.
How to clean car seats. Multi-purpose cleaner spray. Brush drill attachment or use a hand brush. Job done.